Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
One recipe that's absolutely nostalgia driven is certainly this. This touches those little chords that take me down memory lane and take me down childhood. Hey guys, it's the Bombay Chef Varun and welcome to Rajshri Food. The recipe that I'm making today is a Zarda Pulao or Zarda. Let's begin. Well, this is that one recipe that's often made in my friends' homes who are Muslims. Well, I have two of these friends who I know for the last 35 years, Shahid Sheikh and Nazia Siddiqui, and this is often made in their homes almost forever. Well, the first thing is to heat water in a stock pot, add in just a touch of salt because it's a sweet recipe, and salt is just going to bring out all the flavor from the rice and the sugar. Allow the water to boil on high flame and then we move ahead. Well, once the water comes to a roll boil, we'll add in some food grade color, this time yellow-orange color. Well, this could be optional, but trust me, a Zarda Pulao looks fabulous only when it's well colored, and that's the reason why you choose a color which is absolutely food grade and of high quality. The next ingredient that goes in is rice, which has been washed well and soaked in warm water. Give this mixture a generous stir and allow this to cook till the rice is roughly around 90% cooked. Well, at this stage, I know a lot of families that also like adding in either orange zest or lemon zest, but that is a complete personal choice. Well, let's quickly check the rice. It's almost 90% done. Off goes the flame. And let's transfer this into a strainer and strain this well. Let's move on to the next step, and that is actually giving it a tempering. For that, let's begin with ghee. Desi ghee, absolutely nice and flavorful. Before this begins to heat up, I'll add in a few spices. In this case, we're keeping it very simple, adding in a stick of cinnamon, some cloves and green cardamom. Along with this, a bay leaf. Just crack it and add it in. Once the ghee slightly gets aromatic, which is not going to take more than 15 to 20 seconds, I'm going to add in sliced dry coconut, also known as copra. We need to saute this on medium flame for somewhere around 30 seconds till it slightly starts getting a golden color. Once that step is achieved, we're going to add in whole cashew nuts. Well, you can also add in tukda kaju or broken cashew, and along with this, golden raisins. Saute this again for somewhere around 30-40 seconds. Ensure that the cashew nuts this time get that golden color and the raisins kind of swell up like little balloons. At this stage, we need to lower the flame and add in the pre-cooked rice. Along with this, I'm going to add in sugar at this stage itself. Ensure that the stirring happens with absolutely light hands because you do not want the grains of rice to start breaking. Well, we had initially started with 2 cups of rice, and according to that, we take the same quantity of sugar or lesser. The choice is yours. You'll notice as the sugar starts melting, the rice becomes nice and liquidy, and that's going to start coating every grain of rice. At this stage, I'm going to add in some saffron for that nice saffron flavor. And to balance the sweetness, I'm going to add in lemon juice, and this one is completely optional. Well, allow this to mix well and cook on medium flame, covered for somewhere around 10 minutes till the rice becomes nice, sweet and zarda-like. It's been 10 minutes. Let's have a quick check. Very gently, you just need to jiggle a little. A quick stir without breaking the grains of rice, and of course the flame. This is for all my friends across the globe. Hope you had healthy and good days of fasting, and with this on your table, I would ensure that you would have a sweet and joyous year ahead. Eid Mubarak to all of you across the globe.